Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, today we celebrate Women's Day. And I wish to share the stories of a few brilliant women in technology. The pioneers, the innovators, and the change makers who have shaped the digital world and continue to redefine its future. Dear friends, technology has always been the field of endless possibilities, and women have been at its heart, innovating, pioneering, and shaping the future. In 1831, Mary Somerville unlocked the secrets of the universe with the mechanism of the heavens, laying the foundation for modern physics and mathematics. In 1843, Ada Lovelace wrote the world's first algorithm, imagining a future where machine could do much more than calculation, a vision that sparked the age of computing. In 1947, Grace Hopper not only coined the term bug, but also revolutionized programming with COBOL, a language that still powers critical systems today. In 1985, Radia Perlman reshaped networking with the spanning tree protocol, ensuring the internet could grow in the vast connected world we rely on today. And then the new era began. Women didn't just contribute to technology, they began leading the revolution. Dr. Fei-Fei, a pioneer in AI, built ImageNet training machines to see, laying the foundation for modern computer vision, facial recognition, and autonomous system. Timnit Gebru, the leader in AI ethics, continues to fight in fairness in machine learning, ensuring that technology serves everyone equally. Dr. Cynthia Friziel, a visionary in human-robot interaction, designed Kismet, the world's first emotionally responsive robot, paving the way for AI that understands human emotion. Reshma Saujani, founder of Girl Who Code, is empowering millions of young girls to break barriers and shape the future of tech. And today, women are driving breakthroughs in AI, cybersecurity, quantum computing, and Web3. From designing intelligent algorithms to securing digital frontiers, from ethical AI to the future of automation, women are at forefront, creating technology that changes lives. And they will continue to lead, innovate, and inspire. To every woman in IT, whether you are coding, researching, designing, leading, or teaching the next generation, you are not just breaking barriers. You are redefining the future. Happy Women's Day and saluting the unstoppable woman in tech, powering innovation, breaking barriers, and shaping tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Happy learning, dear friends.